Hey, we're talking to tax attorney Ronson Shamoon this morning, and he is talking about saving us some money, basically. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
And I'm doing well. Thanks for coming in. And obviously, January 1st is sort of the deadline to get in a lot of this stuff. And you have a whole list of things that people might be able to save money about.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, one of the first ones is charity. Everybody likes to, donate to charity to a good cause. And what you could do is, even though they haven't received the money, write the check now, put it in the mail, even on the deadline, December 31st. If you get it out in the mail, that'd be a good one to get out real nice and early.
All right, make copies of the check.
Yeah, make copies of the check. When it gets cash, keep it, give it to your bookkeeper or accountant at the end of the year.
Right. You know, is one of the interesting things is you're like telling people to create losses.
Right.
Yeah, how does that work?
Well, let me say you have a business. I mean, what to do is just spend some of that extra money. For example, supplies, anything that you need for your business, stamps, anything that you're going to use in the following year, buy them at the end of the year so you get that deduction. Then you get that 1 year's time value money for that money you're going to save in taxes.
Yeah.
So you're really not creating losses. You're just spending more money to offset some of your income.
And I understand that if gifts to family members are actually deductible.
Right. So you could gift money to family members that is tax-free. What a parent could do to a child is he could gift them highly appreciated stock. And the child, if he makes under a certain amount of money, could sell that stock at a zero capital gain.
Yeah.
So this way you could basically give them some money, stocks that you made some money in, and then when they sell it, they could basically get it tax-free.
That's very smart. I mean, there's so many ways to save money, aren't there?
Oh, yeah.
If you know the loopholes.
Exactly.
If you know the things. And it's all legal, perfectly legal.
It is. I mean, one of the biggest advice that I give to most people is go to a tax preparer, a professional, to get your taxes done. It's not worth you going on to TurboTax and trying doing it yourself and saving a few bucks. You spend that extra $100, $150 with the tax preparer, he will give you all the new codes, deductions, things that you could save money on, things you could do, and you'll get that tenfold in your refund at the end of the year.
Yeah, I mean, there's just a lot of things that people don't deduct. I mean, in some cases, you can deduct your dry cleaning. In some cases, you can deduct mileage on your car if you're using your car. Right. And things like this.
Exactly, especially for businesses. There are so many things that you could probably write off that you don't normally not know about.
Right. All right, well, as tax season gets closer, I'm sure we'll be talking much more about this, but these are some of the things you can do before January 1st. Get those deductions in so the tax man doesn't steal your money.
Exactly. Thank you so much for having me.
You got it. Take care. Have a good weekend.
You too.
And a happy new year.